the way he told things, that you have to take care, that this is not your all the precautions he told, and that's how I followed, and it was very easy to
Namaste. Welcome to SD Studio Season 2. This is Priya Gera, your host, and in this season, I'm going to narrate saga of art, artists, their stories, and their experiences. आज हम जिनसे मिलने वाले हैं, मैं उन्हें बुलाऊंगी वॉल डेकोर एक्सपर्ट। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आप उनकी कलेक्शन देखेंगे स्टूडियोज के सीजन 2 में, आप लोग हैरान रह जाएंगे कि वॉल डेकोर में इतनी वेरिएशंस कैसे आ सकती हैं। पेंटिंग भी है, क्लॉक भी है, जियोड्स भी है और पता नहीं क्या कुछ। सीरियसली, शी इज अ रेजन एक्सपर्ट। वो धनबाद से बिलोंग करती है और इस टाइम हमारे साथ है। सो जल्दी से उन्हें बुलाते हैं और इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को शुरू करते हैं। सो लेट्स वेलकम इति कुशवाहा। हाय इति, व्हाट्स अप, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, Priya. I'm good. All good. I'm very, very excited for you and this connecting with you.
Same here, Iti, and I am equally happy and glad. क्योंकि यूजुअली हम वर्कशॉप में एक दूसरे को देखते हैं, एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है, बट एक आर्टिस्ट का आर्टवर्क देखने से पहले उसके बारे में जानना ना सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट। देन ओनली यू कैन डिसाइड कि कलर्स हैं तो क्यों है, ये वेरिएशंस है तो क्यों है। सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इंटरव्यू सेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो इति, आपको ना जितने भी हमारे व्यूअर्स है पहली बार देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पर, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि इस कॉन्वर्सेशन की शुरुआत आपके एक क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन से होनी चाहिए। सो ओवर टू यू।
Okay. Thank you for this warm welcome. My name is Iti Kushwaha, and I'm living right now in Dhanbad. I am married to a family, like to my husband who lives in Rajasthan. So basically, all my life, up till my upbringing, I have grown up in several places of Rajasthan, and I'm born in UP, and so that's my maternal side. And professionally, if I talk about myself, I'm an IT professional, and I do a lot of coding work. That's like right now my main focus, or you can say that's where my expertise is. But from the childhood itself, I have been very fond of working on my art stuff, and that has actually come from my mother's my mother is very good at art and stuff, so that's where I started learning things. And up till now, I've been experimenting with a lot of things, and specifically when I connected with SD, there are a lot of things or horizons which I came to know in art industry. Prior to this, I just knew about acrylic colors, watercolors, pencil shading, and all this stuff. And I used to just watch these resin videos which used to pop up in Instagram and all. So that's when I came to know about NST, and I took an interest, and I indulged and dive myself into it. And that's when I started enjoying this art form also. It's a very interesting medium, and that's how the story is. I know it has been a little bit long, but
नो इट्स ओके, इट्स ओके। एंड आई थिंक कि जितना आप ट्रांसपेरेंट होके, जितना ज्यादा खुलकर अपने बारे में बताएंगे, व्यूअर्स आपसे उतने ज्यादा इजीली उतना ज्यादा आपसे कनेक्ट हो पाएंगे। बट दैट वाज ट्रूली वंडरफुल, और मुझे थोड़ा सा ग्लिम्स भी मिल गया आपका स्टोरी का कि कैसे सब कुछ हुआ है एंड कैसे सब कुछ हुआ होगा। सो इति, मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम ना क्विकली आपके चाइल्डहुड की तरफ चले, थोड़ा फ्लैशबैक पे जाते हैं, ठीक है, और आपके बचपन के दिनों को याद करते हैं। क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी आर्टिस्ट की जो शुरुआत है उनके आर्ट वर्क की, क्रिएटिविटी की, वो कहीं ना कहीं बचपन से हो जाती है। मे बी ऑल थैंक्स टू स्कूल प्रोजेक्ट्स और मे बी दोज आर्ट कॉम्पिटिशंस जिनके अंदर हम रैंडमली पार्टिसिपेट किया करते थे। सो डू यू रिमेम्बर एनी स्पेसिफिक इंसिडेंट जहां पर आपको पहली बार ऐसे लगा हो कि यार इतनी, मतलब तू भी एक आर्टिस्ट, तू कुछ कर सकती है आर्ट फील्ड में? सो डू यू रिमेम्बर एनीथिंग?
There is one particular incident. As I told you, I have been brought up in Rajasthan. So we used to go a lot of places, visit cities when in during summer vacations and all. So there was this one time we went to Jaipur, and Jaipur and all, these places are known for their forts, city palaces, and all of this stuff. So we went to City Palace in Jaipur, and there was the summer vacation was there, and there were a lot of people who were doing painting. And I saw one particular girl. She was small, and she was painting a lotus on a very small sheet of paper, and it had so much detail in it. It was so beautiful that she was painting, and I thought, how could somebody at that time? Also, I was like, I think I was in 8th class or something. So I could paint good stuff. Like, as far as I know, I haven't seen a lot of people in my class and all who can, not to exaggerate myself, but I could paint well. I was not very good, you can say an expert, but I, whatever I have learned from my mother, I was doing good. But when I saw that girl painting uh, that lotus so well, I was like, this is something I want to learn. And then I looked at all the murals and all that were hanged on over there, and it was so beautiful. That's where I thought,
मुझे
I
दूसरा
can,
करना है।
I have to take, हाँ मुझे ये करना है, आगे जाना है मुझे भी शायद. And
जी,
that's when things started changing.
आप कितने साल के थे उस टाइम पर?
If eighth class, then I 13, I guess
13
12,
14,
13.
ओके ओके ओके, 12 13, राइट। सो जब आपके पेरेंट्स आपको देखते थे कि जो इति है उनका धीरे धीरे जो उनका इंटरेस्ट है, क्योंकि वो ना बहुत क्रूशियल स्टेज भी है, 10th आने वाला है, 10th के बाद यू हैव टू चूज अ लाइन कि आपको किसमें जाना है। तो जब आपके पेरेंट्स ने वो देखा कि यार इति थोड़ा थोड़ा आर्ट की तरफ, थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिविटी की तरफ ज्यादा उनका फोकस है, तो उनका रिएक्शन कैसा था? वर दे सपोर्टिव, और वो कहते थे नहीं नहीं यू हैव टू स्टिक विद एकेडमिक्स ओनली? कैसा रिएक्शन रहता था उनका?
See, we have been from the generation where art and all stuff was there, but it was not just like it. You can build a, as far as I know, you can build a very big career in it. Okay, so they were supportive of the things I could do apart, side by side my studies. So it wasn't like that. Okay, you cannot do this. You throw this stuff away and don't do painting and don't waste time on it. But it was like that, you focus on your studies, make a basic career for yourself, and then you decide what you want to pursue further and all.
That's
So
wonderful. That's truly wonderful, Iti. And I think, बहुत सारे लोग एंड बहुत सारे माता पिता भी इस चीज से इंस्पायर होंगे कि आपको अपने बच्चे को वो करने देना चाहिए जो वो करना चाहते हैं, है ना? क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट होगा तो शायद वो कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर पाए उस पर्टिकुलर लाइन में। तो मुझे आप बताइए थी कि उसके बाद आपकी जो स्टडीज हुई वो किस फील्ड में हुई? हाउ वाज योर कॉलेज लाइफ? और वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा स्पेशल इवेंट या कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट जो आपको आज भी याद हो?
studies to see, I have been in an engineering college, and I've done computer science engineering. Not like you, that you
अच्छा।
followed your passion and you went into the art industry. That I didn't do. But in the college also, when you are specific to your field, like your things you like, then in that particular space you get the time and you get people like that, where you can develop your skill set more and more. Since in the college I didn't
Right.
have that kind of environment, that kind of right association, but still I used to do stuff which could give me some sort of relaxation. Okay, which, like, sometimes it happens, right? You are upset or your mood is not very good or something. At that point of time I used to do it only for my mood uplift. But as I said, in just recent year, past 2-3 years, it's something I have again started, and I said I don't want to continue my career with IT. To be very frank, it's like I can do it. I am good at it, but what I want to do is to expand myself in this particular horizon and become a good artist.
Yes, for sure, indeed. So, आप मुझे बताइए थी, are you married?
Yes, I am married.
और आपकी क्या उम्र रही होगी जब आपकी शादी हुई थी?
बस 1 साल पहले.
बस एक साल
31.
पहले? 31. ओके, वंडरफुल। सो इति, 1 साल की बात है, वैसे अभी बहुत लंबा टाइम नहीं हुआ है ना? न्यूली वेड है आप। सो कितना डिफरेंस आपने महसूस करा अपनी पहले की लाइफ में और बाद की लाइफ में? क्योंकि बाद की लाइफ में रेजन आ गया है, इसलिए मेरा क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर राइज हुआ है।
There isn't any much difference. Both of my parents, either it's my in-laws or my parents, they are very supportive for the career I want to pursue. And my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they are like they very appreciate me for whatever I do. And they are like, my parents did not used to do this much of telling everybody कि ये देखो मेरी बेटी ने बनाया. हाँ, they were like, ये बनाया है, देखो ये अच्छा है, you like it. But my in-laws are like that, they are very happy about it. वो ऐसे जाके सबको बताते कि तो मेरी बहू ने बनाया है, ये ऐसा है वैसा है. So there is a little bit of difference in how it's just like how people are. So it's very good, and I'm very blessed to God, Mahadev, and everyone that I got this family and all.
लवली लवली, सो हैप्पी टू हियर दैट इति. एंड इति, अब मुझे बताइए वो पहला दिन जब आपके सामने रेजिन का सामान आया, रेजिन की किट आई, और आपको पहली बार रेजिन के साथ कुछ बनाना था, तो कैसी फीलिंग थी, क्या टाइम था, कैसा बनाया, मेस था या सुपर स्मूथ था, मुझे सब कुछ बताइए.
That's very funny. Okay, first when I got all this stuff, first of all, I was scary. Why I was scared? Scary, not scared. I was
Yeah,
scared
no
because
problem.
it's a chemical substance, and there are a lot of. It was told that you have to take a lot of precautions, and this class was with Sharad sir, and so I started with that geo table. That geo table with purple shit, geo table. That was what I was working on, and so first time when I tried, it was okay. It was not looking. It was a little bit messy, but then I asked one of the. Connected with somebody from SD, and they said there is a problem in this area. Like white and purple color was blending lot. So they told me that you can work on. So what I did another coat, and then it was looking fine. So I think a lot of things. The way he told things that you have to take care that this is not all the precautions he told, and that's how I followed, and it was very easy to understand everything. It was not at all difficult to follow whatever he told, and from there after whatever I've made, okay, it's always I've never faced any problem. It was good.
ग्रेट. तो इति, आप मुझे बताइए इसके बाद जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ा है ना, और चीजें चेंज हुई अपने आप में, तो आज 1 साल, ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल के बाद है ना, कॉन्टिन्यूसली रेजिन के साथ काम करते हुए, रेजिन को समझते हुए, आई डू रिमेम्बर योर नेम जब आपने गुलाब टेबल वर्कशॉप में गुलाब टेबल जीता था, है ना, यू वर द वन, राइट?
Yes.
तो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम से अब मुझे आप याद हो अच्छे से, एंड देन बाय द टाइम हम वर्कशॉप में मिले, एंड I've seen some of your most wonderful work. So ये जो टाइम रहा आपका इतना सारा रेजिन के साथ, कितना डिफरेंस महसूस आप करते हो आज अपने आप को? आप कैसा रेजिन आर्टिस्ट बता दे कि कितना डिफरेंस आया है आपकी स्किल्स में, आपकी जर्नी में?
From the starting of the first piece which I made in resin, which was the coaster, simple coaster, which was hollow, and to the last one which I worked upon is the black dagger, which I worked with you. I think I know how to handle resin now. I know which color, how the composition will look, and it's very it's very easy. I can think about what all I can create, and I'm ready, and I'm open to go towards exploring new things. Like there are different we already know, and it has been everywhere. Like a lot of things, like you can do coating, like you can do casting and all. So up till now I have just done one thing in a casting part, but now I'm looking forward for once in a while to go to that part where I can build some tables and the clocks, the casting work, buffing and all sort of thing. But yeah, everything, like all the details, which any mistakes which a person who has just started a racing journey and they can do, I know what all possible mistakes can be, and I don't do that mistake.
राइट. सो अब जिसको भी, जो भी न्यूबी हो या कोई भी ऐसा आर्टिस्ट जो पहली बार रेजिन के अंदर अपनी जर्नी शुरू करने वाला है या करना चाहता है, तो एज अ रेजिन थ्रो आप उन्हें क्या सलाह देंगी कि किन किन चीजों का वो ध्यान रखे?
If somebody is starting with you, so they have the best people with themselves. So मैं क्या अलग बता दूंगी, but if I really want to tell what I have been, what problem I faced is that after just after the coaster, I picked up that geo table, right? So I was still not able to understand the medium, and it was difficult to know that where it will flow and how to handle the tools, right? Heat gun and blower and all. So it is very important for anybody who is starting new is to first work on small pieces of art. Like they can work on coaster, they can work on some small very small portrait stuff, and then do the resin and then work on, or maybe tray or something, and then eventually they can move to some larger pieces like geode and also, where they will be able to handle things, and their piece, and for most of all it will be very cost effective for them, and by that time they will know what they are good at, because there are a lot of things, right? You people keep telling, right? There are a lot of
Right.
verticals in resin. There you can go into furniture, you can go into wall art, you can go in jewelry. So there are numerous possibilities. So that's how, when you know where your expertise lies, you can go in that particular domain.
ट्रूली ट्रूली आई टोटली अग्री विद यू एंड मुझे आपने कहा कि मैं क्या ही बता दूंगी, बट आपने बहुत बड़ी बात जो है वो कह दी है। एंड आई थिंक जो अपना करियर शुरू करना चाहते हैं रेजन आर्ट्स में, फॉर श्योर उनको ये सारी की सारी चीजें जरूर हेल्प करेंगी। नाउ इति, आप मुझे बताइए अपने ब्रांड के बारे में, ब्रांड का क्या नाम है, ब्रांड के अंदर में क्या क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा, एंड फॉर मोस्ट थिंग आपके ब्रांड की क्या स्पेशलिटी है?
Okay, so my brand name, first of all, I'll go with the name, and
या
it's a very name, it's a different type of a name. It's basically the word which is taken coin from French word. It's Fleuve d'Art. Fleuve d'Art is basically river of art. That means, see, I am doing resin work, and I'm also doing other things which are there in the resin, as I have taken the expert course. So there are other lot of other things which are there in the course. I learned from those also. I gone through the acrylic course also recently. That was yours, right? So I've gone through a lot of things, and I just don't want to stick to one medium. So I know it is right now resin is on boom, right? A lot of things are happening in boom in resin right now, but at later point of time, I don't want to get at a stage where I will get
राइट
stuck as
राइट
an
राइट
artist. And
100%,
when I know about a lot
100%,
of art mediums, I can experiment with, let's say,
for sure.
alcohol with resin, or maybe acrylic. I don't know what kind sort of thing I will
जो
do.
भी कंटेम्प्रेरी रहा आने वाले टाइम पर, फॉर श्योर बहुत सही बात है। एंड आई थिंक ये सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट चीज आपने यहाँ पे कही है। एंड वेन एवर पीपल आस्क मी अबाउट ब्रांडिंग, मार्केटिंग एंड अबाउट देयर ब्रांड, किसमें और किसमें शुरू करे, किसमें कैसे करे, सो दिस द ओनली थिंग व्हिच आई एक्सप्लेन देम। ओके, सो आई थिंक इतनी आपका विजन क्लियर है ना? और आप जिस तरीके से अपने ब्रांड को, अपने आर्ट वर्क को, स्किल्स को देखती हैं, वो अपने आप में ही एक बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है किसी भी बडिंग आर्टिस्ट के लिए, अगर वो आपको देखे काम करते हुए। प्लस मैं आपसे एक और चीज जानना चाहूंगी थी कि अगर कोई भी क्लाइंट और कस्टमर आपके सामने आए और बोले कि आप मुझे ये स्पेसिफिक कलर, ये स्पेसिफिक कॉम्बिनेशन और ये स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक में कुछ कस्टमाइज कर दीजिए, ठीक है, या कोई भी उनकी फर्दर डिमांड हो, सो आपके ब्रांड के अंदर इस तरीके की कस्टमाइजेशन हो पाएंगी?
Bilkul, I will do my, best version of me. I will think about all the possibilities, and see, sometimes it happens. People come with their request, like this is the kind of color they want. Okay, at some perspective, some point of time it may happen that whatever they are telling is good, but I can come up with my own suggestion, which might be better for. So definitely, I'm open for the customization, whatever a customer wants. It's the first thing I will say. Okay, this is what it will look like, right? But there is another option. It can look better in this one also. So that's how
राइट,
I think.
फॉर श्योर, डेफिनेटली। एंड इति, आप मुझे बताइए अपने सेट ऑफ गोल्स के बारे में। आई वोंट आस्क यू कि आपके 5 ईयर प्लान या 10 ईयर्स प्लान क्या है। आई नो इतना क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस में बिजी होते हैं कि सिर्फ आने वाले 2-3 स्टेप्स ही सोच पाते हैं, बट स्टिल मैं आपसे पूछूंगी आपके सेट ऑफ गोल्स के बारे में कि आपको आने वाले टाइम पर क्या चीजें खुद के लिए, अपने ब्रांड के लिए अचीव करनी।
Sure. First of all, the goal for the upcoming, there are just 2-3 months remaining in this year, and I really want to grow my resin business, first of all, right? So it's just a year, but I know in this 1 year time I have done very well, and I have got few things from very, few orders from my close relatives, and that's looking at the stuff that I've already made and kept it in the home, and so they are looking forward to get those stuff. So that's one thing which I want to go ahead. And then I told earlier in the interview itself that I'm open to the new things. So this one thing like clock in casting. So
Hmm.
that 3:1 medium. That's what I want to work upon the table and all little bit of these stuff. Now coming to my a little bit of you can say next 1 year, or let's say next 2 year goal. You said not 5 years, so I'm definitely looking forward to grow in my art journey, where I want to go ahead and do masters in fine arts and learn more about it, understand the basics, so that when I'm good at basics, I can at least go and
For
create a
sure.
brand for myself,
For
something new
sure.
which
For sure.
nobody hasn't created.
Right,
Yeah.
right, right. I think your plans are great, absolutely great. एंड अगर पाथ इतना क्लियर हो तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि उसको फॉलो करना सिर्फ ऐसा कि आप चलते रहिए उस ट्रैक पे। पाथ होना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए, मंजिल मिल जाती है। सो यू नो इति, आपसे मिलने से पहले ऐसा होता है ना कि आप किससे मिलने वाले होते हो तो आपको पता होता है कि ये इंसान ऐसा है, ऐसी आर्ट करता है और ये इनके कलर वेरिएशन है। बट आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में इतने सारे कलर्स हैं, इतनी सारी वेरिएशन है, आपका थॉट प्रोसेस इतना अच्छा है कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके बारे में जानकर। Now I'm taking you to the next segment, that is the rapid fire round, जहाँ मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कुछ rapid questions. Okay? Okay, so let's start rapid fire round with Iti. Iti, your first question is about your favorite color combination to work with in resin art.
Prussian blue and white.
All right. Acrylic colors or epoxy resin?
As of now, acrylic.
Okay. Okay. Abstract art or realistic art?
Realistic.
Okay. Resin jewelry or larger resin products?
Larger resin products.
Okay. Vibrant color or subtle shades?
Vibrant colors.
Glossy finishing or matte finishing?
Can I say both?
I mean, okay, एक ही बार option मिलेगा ये.
Yeah.
Okay, both for you?
Yeah, both for me.
Okay. Preferred resin art tool. Okay, I'll give you options. Silicone mold or freeform pouring with glue gun?
It's a tricky one. I think molds. They are easy to handle.
True. Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Okay. Tea person or coffee person?
None.
Okay. Beach person or mountain person? Okay. Your go-to source for art supplies?
Go to source. I think right now it's Amazon, but when I have to buy something resin related, I go to SD.
Okay. How you design or plan any kind of artwork? Digital sketchbook or physical sketchbook?
Both. Sorry, but usually I first go with the sketching part. That is helps me to explore more.
All right. Last question. Your favorite kind of music? I mean, जब कुछ relax होना होता है, थोड़ा सा calm down होना होता है, तो किस तरीके का आप music सुनना पसंद करती हैं?
It's Chopin. Chopin. So there is a very beautiful piece of Chopin, and I really like it. And when I do art with it, it's like what you say. It's a there is a word you use a lot. It's a therapy for
Soothing?
me.